AI is everywhere. It's writing essays for students, painting portraits, trading stocks, and, let's be honest, sliding into your DMs with suspiciously charming banter. But before you picture a future where robots rule the world and we're all out of work, let's hit pause. Because some jobs, AI simply can't touch them. Today, I'm breaking down the top 8 jobs AI can't replace, no matter how clever the code. Why? Because your humanity is your ultimate superpower. First up, psychologists and therapists. Sure, chatbots can listen. They can ask, "How does that make you feel?" on loop. But heartbreak, grief, or just the unspoken weight in a room, you can't teach a machine to feel that. Empathy isn't downloaded, it's lived. Creative writers and storytellers. Look, AI can churn out stories faster than I can say "once upon a time." But have you ever read a love letter from a toaster? Not exactly tearjerker material. The best stories? They make you laugh, cry, and see yourself between the lines. That's a human touch, not a script. Teachers and educators. AI can deliver facts, sure. But teaching, that's magic. It's inspiring curiosity, spotting that spark in a student's eyes. And yes, stopping a class clown from going viral mid-lesson. Great teachers ignite something no algorithm can. Artists and performers. AI can copy a style, but can it feel rhythm? Understand pain? Channel ancestral joy or sorrow? Try getting a robot to freestyle with actual soul. Spoiler, it's all ones and zeros. Art mirrors the human condition, not just data sets. Ethicists and human rights advocates. When the stakes are high, do you want a computer deciding what's right or wrong? Moral isn't just a variable in code, it's a lived experience. AI can crunch numbers. But care? That's beyond its pay grade. Strategic leaders and visionaries. AI follows patterns. But the real game changers, they break them. Vision is wild, often irrational, and always deeply human. Childcare and elderly care workers. Machines are great at routines, but try getting one to change a nappy, sing Baby Shark, in 5 languages. And remember grandma's meds, all with patience and love. Good luck with that, robots. Finally, spiritual leaders and healers. Whether you're a pastor, imam, monk, or healer, AI can't decode faith. It doesn't pray, it pings. Spirituality is divine, not digital. So here's the takeaway. AI is smart, but your creativity, empathy, intuition, and soul? Unmatched. Don't just compete with AI, do what it can't. Share this with someone who needs a little career confidence today. Like, subscribe, and remember, the future needs more human than ever. Comment below. Which job do you think AI will never replace? Let's get talking.